Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here is how we're going to determine or terminate a category cable. This one is category Ethernet, so Cat5, Cat6, Cat7, doesn't matter what. But you can see I have right here, that's a called pass-through. Let me lock the focus. And we got orange, white, orange, or green, white, blue, blue, white, and green, brown, white, and gray. And once you get that down, make sure you have the head facing down. The little pushing button is facing down, and that's how you know you had the right way. Don't screw it up, otherwise it will cost you $1.